FND Advanced Packaging Manufacturing, fueling the global food industry forward. Rooted in Taizhou, with a global vision, 𝐓𝐚𝐢𝐳 FND Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is deeply committed to the food packaging machinery industry, focusing on long-term expertise, technological strength, and continuous advancement. Through professionalism and proven capability, we set industry benchmarks and deliver reliable solutions trusted by customers worldwide. Precision is born from craftsmanship. Every machine we create is the result of relentless dedication, where innovation meets discipline. Behind each detail lies the collective wisdom of our engineering team, pushing boundaries, refining performance, and challenging conventions. From concept to completion, every process is guided by rigorous standards, ensuring reliability, consistency, and uncompromising quality in every machine we deliver. From the precision machining of core components to the final assembly of complete systems, every step reflects our uncompromising pursuit of quality. From high accuracy inspection to meticulous testing and calibration, no detail is overlooked. We implement full process, fine-grained control across every stage of production, ensuring that each machine operates with long-term stability, consistent performance, and high efficiency under real-world conditions. This commitment to precision and reliability allows our equipment to perform seamlessly on production lines around the world. For food manufacturers, we deliver more than machines. We provide dependable packaging solutions that support efficiency, safety, and sustainable growth. Our newly upgraded production facilities integrate advanced manufacturing processes with intelligent, state-of-the-art equipment. Driven by technology, we enhance efficiency and precision. Guided by innovation, we continue to shape the future of manufacturing. A professional team, united by efficiency and collaboration. Our experts work closely across disciplines, combining technical expertise with deep industry insight. From tailored solution design to continuous technical support, from in-depth pre-sales consultation to responsive after-sales service, every stage is carefully coordinated to deliver real value. With a customer-centric mindset at the core of everything we do, we provide integrated, one-stop service solutions that simplify processes, optimize performance, and respond precisely to the evolving needs of our customers. By helping our partners reduce costs, improve operational efficiency, and enhance long-term competitiveness, we grow together, building lasting partnerships and achieving sustainable win-win development. Crafted with dedication and precision, every machine showcased in our exhibition hall represents the convergence of technical expertise and deep industry insight. Each piece is a testament to our engineering capabilities and our clear understanding of the evolving needs of the industry. 9 fully developed production lines covering the full spectrum of food packaging applications. Whether it is twist wrapping, pillow packing, or folding, wrapping, we deliver tailored equipment solutions designed to meet the diverse packaging requirements of different food categories. With flexible configurations and proven technologies, our systems help manufacturers streamline operations and accelerate the transition toward automated and intelligent production. 2 newly upgraded intelligent production lines redefine efficiency and performance, delivering higher output with lower energy consumption. They reflect our continuous commitment to technological advancement. Through ongoing innovation and iteration, we empower industrial upgrading and create greater long-term value for our customers. Moving forward together, shaping the future. With outstanding product quality and a comprehensive service system, FND has earned the trust of customers worldwide, delivering advanced packaging solutions to markets across the globe. Looking ahead, we look forward to partnering with more industry leaders, working side by side to unlock new possibilities. Through advanced packaging technologies and continuous innovation, we are committed to supporting the sustainable growth of the global food industry. FND, your trusted partner for shared success.